Thinking about upgrading to macOS 27? Before you click that upgrade button, let me show you the safest way to upgrade your Mac without losing your files, apps, or settings. Hello, friends, and welcome back to MZ Learning. Just a few minutes ago at WWDC 2026, Apple introduced its brand new operating system for Mac computers, which is currently available as a developer beta. Since this is an earlier beta release, it may contain bugs and stability issues. However, if you are as excited as I am and want to explore the new features before the official public release, I highly recommend installing it on a separate Mac, partition, or volume. I have already created a dedicated video on how to do that, and you can find the link in the video description below. But if you simply want to safely upgrade your current operating system to macOS 27, the process is actually very simple. Just follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth and secure upgrade experience. Before you begin, make sure you are using an Apple Silicon Mac from M1 to M5 or later. This is the first version of macOS designed specially for Apple Silicon processors, which means Intel based Macs are no longer supported. For your convenience, I have provided a complete list of compatible Mac models in the video description. If your Mac is on that list, you can move on to the next step. Please make sure you have enough available storage space before starting the installation. You will need at least 35 GB of free disk space for the upgrade process. However, for the best performance and to avoid any installation issues, I recommend having 50 GB or more available space. Apple upgrade process is generally very safe and reliable, and the chances of losing your data are extremely low. However, I strongly recommend creating a full backup of your Mac before installing any major software update. This ensures that if anything unexpected happened during the upgrade process, you can easily restore your important files and data. Additionally, it is also a good idea to create a bootable USB installer for your current operating system. This can be very useful if you ever decide to downgrade or revert back later. Once you have confirmed compatibility, checked your storage space, and backed up your data, you are ready to download and install the macOS 27 developer beta. To begin, open System Settings and from General, click on Software Update. Here you should see an option called Beta Updates. If you do not see this option, it means your Apple ID is not currently associated with the Apple Developer Program. But don't worry, access to Apple Developer Beta software is completely free. Simply open your web browser and visit the Apple Developer website. Now sign in using the same Apple ID that you are using on your Mac. Accept the terms and condition if prompted. Once you are signed in, close your web browser and reopen system settings. Now go back to software update. Next, click the small eye icon next to beta updates and choose macOS 27 developer beta from the drop down menu. After that, click done. Wait a few moments and macOS 27 should appear as an available update. Next, click Upgrade Now to begin the installation process. First, your Mac will download the macOS 27 installation files and prepare the system for the upgrade. Depending on your internet speed and Mac hardware, this process may take some time. After this process, your Mac will restart automatically and begin the final installation process. During this stage, your Mac may restart multiple times. This is completely normal, so there is no need to worry. The entire installation process is automatic, so just sit back, relax, and let your Mac complete the upgrade. Within a short time, your Mac will be successfully upgraded to macOS 27 and you will be ready to explore all its new features and improvements. And that's it, friends. That's how you can safely upgrade your current operating system to macOS 27.